How to share pages in Notion on PC. This tutorial shows you how to give others access to your pages in just a few steps. First, open your browser, go to notion.so, and sign into your account. From there, open the page you want to share. At the top right of the page, click the Share button. After that, a menu will appear with a few sharing options. If you want to share with a specific person, type their email address into the field at the top of that menu and set their permission level. You can give them full access, can edit, can comment, or can view, depending on what you need. From there, click Invite, and they'll receive an email with a link to the page. If you'd rather share the page publicly so anyone with the link can view it, toggle on Share to Web inside that same menu. Once that's on, click Copy Link and paste it wherever you need to send it. Finally, keep in mind that any subpages nested inside the page you share will also be accessible to whoever you invite, so make sure the page only contains what you're happy sharing. That's how you share pages in Notion on PC. If this was useful, hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. Catch you in the next one.